In this video, I'll show you how to add a button hover effect in Figma. Now guys, pay close attention. I would say follow along with me and pause where you need to. Let's get into it. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to click on the frame here. And we are just going to select the frame. Let's say desktop. And then what we want to do is just move this over to the side. And let's make another frame, though this time we'll just drag because this is going to be our button. Next up, let's add some text in here. And then of course you can adjust your text as you please. I'm not going to do anything too fancy here. All right, so there we have our text. Cool. Now what we're going to do, we're going to highlight our button. Make sure that everything is selected here. So we're going to go to layout and then we're going to click over here, use auto layout. Cool. Now we have one button and then you can adjust this as you please. But I think all that I want to do is make my corners rounded. So we'll just go here to appearance and change that. And then we're going to change the color of our button. All right, so if we're happy with our button from here, we can continue. So we want to come up to frame and click create component. And then we want to click on add variant for our second button. This is going to be our hover effect. Now the third button, if you want to put it in, is going to be a click effect. I'm not going to put it in because this video is just about making the hover effect. And you can add as many variants as you want. All right, let's customize button number 2. And all we're going to do for that is just change the color. So when we hover over, it is a different color. Okay, cool. Button 2 is made. Now we want to click on prototype on the top here. And if I click on button number 1, I will have a plus icon. And I just need to drag that onto button number 2. Then this interaction window will appear, and if you accidentally close it, you can get it on the top right here again. All right, so now we need to set our trigger. So while hovering, our actions are fine. We need to just change our animation. That's up to you though. I think dissolve is the perfect animation here. And that's a preview of what it's going to look like. And if you're happy, just click off of that. All right, so now we've actually made our button. It is pretty much done here. What we're going to do now is we're going to go to assets on the left. We're going to click in our created in this file, and there's our button. We're going to drag that button onto our desktop here. So let's just move this a bit in frame. We'll drag that over. And now if you want to, you can do some more customization here, but if you're ready, let's test our button. Make sure it's working. So what we're going to do is we're just going to click on play on the top right here, or present. And if we hover over our button, it changes. And of course, if you've added a click, then when you click on it, it's going to change. And that's it, guys. That is how you do it. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next Figma video.